Assalamu alaikum, Nadeem Naik, Straight Talk, United Kashmir. Another Friday. I've been appearing here since March of 2019. Rain or shine, just got a respite from. It's been raining all day here today, and this stand shows the iron will to make Indian-held Kashmir independent one day. So. And to bring about peace between Pakistan and India of these pestering problems. They've gone to war several times, logging their head on this issue here of the Indian occupied Kashmir. I'm making all peaceful efforts, and to my brothers and sisters and peace lovers all over the world, I ask them, while they're spreading this message, to do something as I do. As benign as little it may seem, it makes a difference. It makes a difference of keeping Kashmiris who are caged like animals by the Indian government. I'll keep calm when my Kashmir is free. So we should not forget that free Kashmir now is more important. I know you see this in reverse, but until Samsung fixes their forward camera, it will turn. India stopped genocide, free Kashmir, and front and back is the same always on this way. So my peace lovers all over the world, how do we bring about change? How do we make the world recognize that the Holocaust being committed by the Indian government, the raping of the women, kidnapping of the children, and hurting old and young alike, keeping them under siege for 73 long years, enough is enough. The conditions are pathetic, and it gets worse every time we take a look at what's going on. Indian government is so afraid that they would never get BBC and CNN in there. And the reason is because they want to hide the reality of my Kashmiri nation. I will not stop and I will not rest until Kashmir is free, no matter wherever I am. I'm Hostanian, and I come here. Behind me, as you know, is the Indian consulate, and so I'll continue to make this stand here. And while you share this message world over, I want people to know that we have to bring peace. Peace has to come about, and peace will only come when Indian government, the usurpers of my Kashmiri nation, my Kashmiri people rights, we will have to stop them from continue harassing my people and keep them like animals in a cage. Even in the zoo, the animals are free, they can roam about, but the conditions they create is totally unbearable. So my brothers and sisters and peace lovers all over the world, support this Kashmiri effort by spreading this message across the globe as you do. I appreciate that. And as a peace activist, I want a peaceful outcome. But how long can it be? There is no guarantee. But we have to bring it to the world and world attention. You know, when I am making this piece every Friday for you here, which you watch, this video clip, and if you see me looking right or left, it is the people either walking by, waving, or the cars going by. So I acknowledge them as I record this here. I thank you, pray for my Kashmiri nation, and help every which way you can. Thank you. God bless you.